This experiment is thinning thing and metal thing with the copper wire. The copper wire is hard to find.
We found throwaway copper wire.
I pick up from rubbish pile.
Look,
I have battery
Daddy,
here.
look. I can.
Let me measure this. And for the wire, the same height with the battery. Well, bending copper by hand proved to be more challenging and time-consuming than I initially expected. Now it's time to test if it can spin itself like other internet experiments. However, it seems that it's not working for me.
Daddy said it didn't work. Daddy, can you say that again?
Well, we tried many times. It didn't work. Maybe we make something wrong with it. I don't know.
So the truth is, people pretend to make it turn. Have you seen that before? Like, it's gonna like turn like this, the thing, with this copper kitty cat. Have you ever seen it? And people just pretend like it's gonna turn. So yeah, it's false. It doesn't work.
Or it's not the right type of magnetic button. Please let us know if you have any advice.